Hi dear Gemini, very happy Valentine Day to you guys. So this is a reading, this is a general love reading from 15th of Feb till 28th of Feb. So let's quickly see your partner's energy and your energy and what is going to happen till the end of Feb, okay? So right now your partner's energy is that they are holding things very tightly. They are not releasing the control. They are feeling like stuck somewhere and they are feeling like, okay, they're not able to move anywhere, not in that side, not in that side. So basically they are right now very stuck and they are holding a very deep and deep hurt in their heart, okay? So right now they are feeling hurt and lost and they are not able to release anything, okay? What's your energy is the Ace of Wands. You have started a new chapter in your life and you are feeling very passionate about that thing, and maybe there is someone new coming in your life. Maybe it can also happen. I don't see someone new coming in, but right now there might be a possibility that someone new will come to your life, okay? Something new is happening, a new beginning, a new start is happening with you guys, okay? So how your partner is seeing you, they see you as the world. They see that there is a cycle that is completed with you. There is a relationship that has come to an end and the completion, and they want a new start. They want a new beginning from this particular relationship or from you. So right now they are feeling like you are the world to them and you mean a lot to them, but right now there is some kind of completion or rejection from your side or maybe from their side, I don't know, but they are feeling like a cycle is completed and this relationship with you has come to an end, okay? What you are feeling about your person is the Page of Cups. How you see your person as a Page of Cups. You feel like your person is somewhat immature. You feel like, yes, they have lots of passion, they have lots of love and everything, but they are kind of immature. They don't have the maturity to proceed in a relationship, or how to handle a relationship, or how to balance things emotionally. So basically you're feeling like your person is kind of immature energy, although they are a loving and caring person, but they act immature in your eyes, okay? In your sense. What they are feeling right now, your partner is feeling heartbroken right now. They are feeling like there's something that ended in this relationship, or there is a bad breakup happened and there's kind of energy that is making them feel lost, that is making them feel like they're grieving about something and they are very sad, very in trauma, maybe you can say. They are not able to they're not able to move forward. They are not able to move on from you. So basically they're heartbroken. They are they are feeling very heartbroken from I think long time maybe, but this relationship has come to an end finally from their side as well. Your energy, how you feel about this relationship is the Emperor. You are feeling that this relationship is kind of very stuck, very adamant, very there is no love in this relationship. You are feeling like this relationship is kind of has become an ego battle for both of you. So this is kind of energy that is not loving. This is kind of energy that is very adamant and stuck, and they want everything to happen in their own way basically. So you are feeling like this relationship is not going anywhere. This is stuck, okay? And what they want from this relationship, this is the Ten of Swords energy. They are feeling like backstabbed and they want a new start with you, because this is Ten of Swords. So 10 is like number one. So number one is a new start, a new beginning. Basically this card looks scary, but this is a new beginning after the worst is over. So basically they want a new start with you because they are feeling because they are feeling the loss, because they are feeling like they lost something very precious to them, and they are now feeling like they want a new beginning with you, okay? What you want from this relationship is the Knight of Pentacles. You want to take things very slow, Gemini. You don't want to rush into things. You don't want to rush into a person or into something that is not going to work out for you, because what I can feel is you are right now feeling like, okay, whatever happened in the past, that happened, okay, that is over. I need a new energy, maybe a new person in my life. I need a new start in my life, a new passionate beginning in my life. But right now you are taking things really slow. You want to take things really slow, okay? You want to move things forward, but you are taking things very slow. The outcome from their side is the is the Hermit. So basically they are looking into themselves. They are looking for the faults they did in this relationship. They are analyzing everything that they did wrong with you, and they are not happy at all. They are feeling very, very stuck. They are feeling very, very sad, maybe lost even. Gemini, your partner is in pain. I'm telling you, your partner is in pain and they are not able to come out of this situation, and they are feeling lost. They are feeling lonely. Your energy is the Fool. You also don't know what is happening, but you are ready for a new beginning. You are ready for a new life. You are ready to take a leap of faith. You are ready to take a adventurous journey forward. So basically you are ready for a new beginning in your life, in your personal life, maybe in your emotional life. You are ready to explore new things in your life, and you are happy about this. You are also stuck. You are also feeling somewhat lost, but you are kind of came out of this situation, and you are ready for a new beginning, a new life, a new happiness in your life, right? That is happening with you, and this is a very good energy from the universe. So basically the potential, the growth of potential, the potential of growth for this particular relationship is the Strength card. So if you guys want to work out in this relationship, that is going to take you a lot of energy, that is going to take a lot of courage for both of you to come out of this situation and start again. And the guidance from the universe is the Nine of Wands. See, Gemini, whatever happened in the past, don't lose hope. Don't make them feel like, okay, you can come whenever you want to, you can go whenever you want to. No, you have to take your stand. So you are also wounded, you are also feeling lost, but you are also hurt, but you are taking your own stand, and that is a very good thing. And the universe also wants you to take your own stand, okay? And the Lovers card, the Lovers deck. I have a deck from the Love Oracle cards, and that is saying you this is coffin, this is endings. So ending brings new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, transition. You are going to have a new start in your life, and that is a very good thing, Gemini. I love it. That is a very, very, very good thing. I think you were stuck on this person from a long time, and now you are moving on, and you are moving on from towards a new passionate beginning, towards maybe a new love or new person, or a happy news is coming to you, but you are taking baby steps. That is a good thing, and you are taking a leap of faith, and you are trusting the universe. That is a good thing, Gemini. So Gemini, this is all about your love life from 15th to 28th of Feb. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. And do let me in the comment section below if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Namaste.